Okay, compliment of the season, everyone. So as you can see from the title of this video, we are making all-purpose marinade seasoning, and here are the ingredients I will be using. I've washed everything clean. Starting here, I have some ginger roots washed properly, some garlic, cloves, and some habanero pepper. Right here I have some herbs. I have my fresh rosemary, fresh sage leaves, and some fresh thyme leaf also. And over here I have some diced spring onion and some diced celery stalk. And over here I have white onion. You can use any type of onion you have. I'm using what I have at hand. And over there I have a bunch of parsley leaves. And here I have some green chili peppers and some green diced bell pepper. So those, and over there I have butter. I forgot. So I'm using a stick of butter in this recipe. You can use oil if you don't like butter. I like to mix butter with my seasoning. So here is my blender. I'm gonna go ahead and add everything into the blender. So I'm gonna start by adding the parsley leaves. Then followed by the ginger roots and garlic and habanero pepper, yeah. Followed by the chili pepper and the green bell pepper. Then add the onion. Remember, you can use any herbs and spices of your choice. If you know what works for you, go ahead and use it. So here I have added the spring onion and the celery stalk. I have other things that will be going into this blender, but as you can see, the blender is filled up already. So I'm going to go ahead and measure about half cup of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to add a half cup of oil to help my blender work properly, because I'm not using water in this recipe. Just add it, I'm going to cover it and blend it for a few minutes so that it can calm down for us to add the remaining ingredients to it. So this I am using it for meat marinade. You can use it for any type of meat you are marinating. So here I have the butter. That's the stick butter I showed you earlier. I just cut it into four for easy blending. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my other spices. Here I have some curry powder, seasoned salt, and stock cube, and I have meat tenderizer and some adobo seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and add them to the blender and blend all smoothly. So like I said, you can feel free to use anything you like for your marinade. If you know what works for you, use and marinate your meat. This I am using it for meat marination. So it, as you can see, it has blended properly. I'm going to package it in a jar and put it in my refrigerator. If you want it to last longer, put it in your freezer and use it anytime you want to marinate any meat. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.